Practical activity 8.36, open 8.46. US addresses and apply the following filters. State in Arizona is AZ or CA. So state is equal, it's capital, A is capital, A, Z, or it's CA, right? AZ or CA. City starts with SAN. So city begins with, right? Company ends with INC. Company includes and. Ends with INC, INC dot, I think. So no, it's INC, Saem, when there is no company, right? I'll just go back because I just want to confirm one thing. So what this one was, city starts with SAN. Let me do it again. The city begins with SAN. All the cities begin with SAN. Oh, and I'm just concerned AZ is Z is small over here. This is what I'm concerned about. So let me just confirm this because why have they all? The question is not right. Because let's see. AZ is not small. Why have they written it? So I think there's something bit wrong with something wrong with the question. Right? So it's fine. So it's CA. Yes. City begins with SAN. Company ends with INC. Company includes and. There isn't an. If I do that, there will be no record. Maybe something wrong with the question. Position is less than 10. So if we have over here is position is less than 10 again, I will do it is less than 10, right? Position is between this and this. So we probably just have to experiment, apply the following filters. We just have to do it again and again, right? So maybe we can, because if I apply all the filters, I don't have any positions less than 10. So get no data. State is not FL or this. So see, this is the contradiction. Okay. So we just have to practice them one by one, just like this way. I hope you got it.